Can we see yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gonna put that on yours?
How are we supposed to get the
We got that. And then here you go, Ella. Yeah. Oh, there's only 2 toys in here.
Come on.
So we put it at the very end?
No,
After everyone? Or after him?
Get pretty sturdy. Oh, dang. Oh, dang.
This man over here acting surprised.
Man, this is like Christmas spirit. We got some rims. Thank you, family.
My God, how would we have ever known?
That's nice.
Kai like, well, dang. You just squishing him in the corner.
Yeah, it's about time I can get that other box out my nail room.
Here's another one from all of us.
Oh crap.
Oh, me? Yeah.
Nothing for
Oh,
For me, little old me.
little old me.
You said cutesy little me.
Here.
Now you need
Oh.
keep looking at them. He was gonna look at them for 2 years.
And then we was talking about it in the car.
You trying to hurry up and open yours so everybody can't see you.
No, I'd be like that.
Your turn, Anthony. My shoe rack.
A shoe rack is great.
She old.
What? I know you ain't talking.
The bed.
Okay.
Dang, you did order a mattress.
Adidas, that's why I got Adidas socks.
Oh crap, I forgot this is in there.
I wish she ain't in the shoes no more.
She asked for them.
No, they're nice.
We got one more for you too, Izzy.
Trash.
Go ahead and read the back of that. Back of that card.
What the heck? Who's this?
From
It says Mary Chisel.
Yeah.
Who put that?
Say what, baby?
It's like Mary Chisel, faux shizzle.
What's in this hat? Y'all up to no good.
And
Just rip it open.
Go crazy.
No, for the box.
Oh.
Babe, you're so white, bro.
What is it?
That's a big gaming chair. Oh man, I slipped up and told her.
Trying to start the Beamer again. It's dead, so I had to use the key to unlock it. We have a 55-inch in here. Let's see if it starts though first. It's kind of warm outside. Ooh. Nothing. Bruh. Oh, hope it's fully. As you can see, this is normal. I set it on 36. Let's see what her stuff says on. Take this out first. 10. 16 or 10. 16. Hasn't been much to do because it's so cold outside. It's been 20 degrees and under, and nobody wants to be outside when it's that cold. So today is kind of warm, and by warm we mean 30 degrees. That's warm for us. So the plan for today is we gonna go get boba, wash the cars, mob a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna probably try to drive this car. I got this 55-inch TV in here. I don't know. Do I drive it with this? Bro, when I tell you, like, look at this TV. Like, it's on my shoulder. I need gas. I don't get paid in a couple days. I'm broke as hell. This is what happens when you get paid bi-weekly. 1 week you living life, you feel me? Next week you living under a bridge. Would you look at who's finally here? 2 hours later.
Hey, yeah, you could be boo, I be babe. Boo, I can see me and you on a date.
Alright, we just got done washing the cars. Couldn't really record because had people waiting on us. So wasn't trying to sit here and do all this extra stuff while people's trying to wait, or trying to use the base. So we're about to go get some boba now, and then probably go to my grandma's house. Every car is clean finally. It's been 2 months since my last car wash. Look at that. Clean. Door jambs clean. New car. Who this? Look at this man. You should have seen this man's face.
Who?
Cedric's. Look at this quality. What?
Yeah, that's iPhone quality, man. Get with it. We out here with the iPhones. You got a Chromart case? You got too much money.
Get some Hallmark. You talk about my good brand.
So, Faith bought this for me.
Of course. Yeah, I bet.
Get you a Faith. Is it on there? Oh.
Not really. This side now.
It's enough to drive to Walmart.
The way around just went the other way.
I gotta turn my traction off and just send it.
You always in the video.
Yeah, that's crazy.
See? Or don't show that side.
Every car got floors. Ain't no car perfect.
No, one of y'all grills ain't connected.
Oh, mine not.
Yours Bluetooth?
The hood just holds it. Watch.
That's ghetto.
The one you supposed to have.
The real one? Oh, you do got screws.
Oh, now I do. I didn't.
It came like that, didn't it?
And then it flew off when we was going to Niles one day. Stupid. Y'all always so get out. Man, you should have seen us trying to work at Android. Here?
More
Too close.
over.
More towards the center. Here. Your hand in the way. More.
More. Told him get that gorilla. Yeah.
Tell somebody coming like they want some more.
As long as my mic can't reach it.
Oh yeah.
What else can we do besides horns?
I saw somebody with bunny ears.
The horns is nice for him.
Can you see them?
They can still. I know both of them. They be on busted.